Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we help you manage your money smarter and live better. Today we're talking about EveryDollar, the budgeting app that claims to make managing your finance simple and stress-free. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. EveryDollar was created by Ramsey Solutions, yes, the team behind Dave Ramsey's famous baby steps. The app's main selling point, zero-based budgeting, that means you are giving every single dollar a job before the month even starts. Sounds simple, right? When you first open the app, you are greeted with a super clean interface. The setup is quick, you just enter your income, list your expenses, and the app automatically calculates what's left. Plus, you can customize categories to match your lifestyle. Need a category for that coffee obsession? Done. One of the coolest features is tracking your spending. You can manually add transactions, or if you go premium, link your bank account for automatic updates. The free version works great, but the premium upgrade adds convenience for about $79 a year. Is it worth it? We'll talk about that in a second. Now, let's talk pros and cons. First, the pros. It's easy to use. Even if you are new to budgeting, you can set saving goals and track progress. It's perfect for fans of Dave Ramsey's method. But here's where it falls short. The free version doesn't include bank syncing, no investment tracking. This is strictly a budgeting tool. So is every dollar worth it? If you're looking for a simple budgeting app to stay on top of your spending, it's a solid choice. The free version does the job, and the premium upgrades worth considering if you want that bank syncing convenience. Overall, I would rate it 4 out of 5 stars. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.